Hey, Reggie here. Started in the back. You see the Rocket Stove Fireplace, and in the front here is the current modifications that'll bring it up to what I had first originally designed. This front piece is going to go around the outside of the firebox on the face of this brick. It's gonna just barely go around the outside of the firebox. It's just one piece of 2-foot chimney. The sides were cut down to 14 inches, and the bottom will have 2 more elbows, which are currently being used inside here. I gotta wait till the fire goes out and cool a little bit. What's going to happen is the left side is going to go into, is going to angle into the rocket stove, and then this becomes part of the thermal mass to release the further heat. Our first drop will be on the outside, and then that will go into the firebox around the side and back and up to the chimney pipe. When I get more elbows, I'd like to put a second rise in the firebox, a little taller than that first rise I had on the first video. Okay, this is test stove version 2. Temporarily have a jack stand in the back because I decided to do an angle in the pipe back there. This has got some clearance around the face of the fireplace. I gotta make some brackets. We're going to try to cure the paint here if we get this lit. My paper keeps trying to go out on me. I found putting a board with a piece of cardboard on each side. Right now you hear a fan we have in the front door to suck any fumes out. As soon as the cardboard ignites, we'll have some rocketing going. Got some leather gloves to make sure this fits together a little better as it's warming. Cardboard is igniting. I've got a roll of cardboard on both sides. Looks like we're starting to get a little bit of a draw up the chimney. We've got a 2-foot section in the middle, 14 inches, 14 inches, 2 elbows angled into the chimney, and we have ignition. We're going to get a lot of fumes here as the paint's curing, because this is initial burn. I put the pieces from the first stove in the back because they've already cured. We had help from Reggie today, my son. So we both got to redesign this together. Hoping to get some good, ooh yeah, we're getting some good heat up here. Like, it's not even hardly burning, and I've already got heat up here. So this is a retrofit to a fireplace. Adding the extra pieces of pipe, we're still under $200 in the pipe. Still have several pieces to take back to Home Depot that haven't been used. Where this first piece is, I'm still debating on whether to use that expensive T. The reason I did the pipe in the back the way I did is because it came straight down before, and with this firebox here, I wanted to, if I put the T in, I wanted to be able to open it from the other side and slip in a larger log, and it still might be a possibility. I angled the first elbow, which is going to give you an aesthetic where you can see the fire a little bit, you know. I found that these work really good if you put your wood in an angle, so it kind of floats and the flames can go under it and above it. To feel, it feels like it's probably 90 degrees at this top pipe already, just off the cardboard.
Wow.
So we have a massive heat exchanger here. That's going to radiate out on both sides. We have ignition. We are rocketing. I got a couple pieces of pipe on the right that were being a pain, so my top angle's kind of crooked until that heats up where I can shove them together a little better. Here we can see the paint curing on this side. Look at that, it's like smoke rings around the pipe. Hopefully we're going to suck all that out with the fan at the door. Did you close the bedroom doors?
No.
Any other doors?
Holy crap. Whoa.
It's burning hot.
That's all.
Dang, no heat gun?
Nothing.
Dang. When's that thing gonna get here? I'm gonna have to look up and see if there's a tracking number on that sucker.
So that's what it does when
Oh, turn off that other heater back there. We don't want all that sucking out.
in your room?
No, right there behind you.
Oh, man.
I don't want to be heating the outside.
Alright, off.
We're gonna get this hot today so we can get this paint cured and air out the house before the wife gets home.
Holy cow. Well, that's what it does?
Yep.
That's why it gets so smoky.
Yep.
think this design's going to work better?
Yep. Especially if I can get it cured. Wish that heat gun was there. Could you look, see if we have any other kind of thermometers, like some kind of metal thermometer would be nice, or a cooking thermometer? We can get a shorter range. Yeah? Well, looks like our smoke ended. So we got our first 2 elbows kind of cured. Kind of. I'm gonna stop for
18 drops there. 18 drops? Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, I counted it all out. It's like 250. I took 53 options. It's like 200. Well, then Marigold now sitting there $5 short. Sometimes made a 195. Then I did the paper. I did the paper. She counted it 3 times and I counted it. So it was right on. But then I did my paper and so it's $5. Let me tell you about having overages. Yep, woman. I did get $3.50. This morning, yeah. And I was wearing all your things. It's big, yeah, it is.